Hey guys, we're doing military aircraft quizzes. Yeah, I already did a airplane quiz like a little bit
I
ago,
started
and
playing
we're
this
doing another
game
one.
after seeing an ad of it, and I gotta say, not disappointed at all. I even got
Okay,
my
stupid
friends
ad,
to play
of
with.
course. Let's go. Let's get started. Yeah, let's get started, guys. I think that's the. Let's see. Can't really see because I'm under my. That's the that's the F-15 Eagle. Let's say Eagle. Yes. Yeah. Okay, that's easy, bro. That's not the F-35. That's not the AV, and that's not the J-20. It's the F-22. It's the F-22 Raptor. Yay, got it right. Let's see. Oh, that's easy, bro. That's the B-17, I think. No, that's the B-29. No, that's the B-29. That's the B-29. Yeah, that's the B-29, not the B-17. Yeah, that's the B-29. Yeah! Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a great guess. That's not the B-2 Spirit, bro. I think it's the F-105. I think it's the F-105. Please. F-105. Oh my god! What? That's the Also, this is a headphone warning in case I scream. That's C5. That's the C5, right? Yeah, that's the C5, I think. Yay! Oh, that's not the F-35. Okay, I know it's P40. Wait, no, it's the B1, please. Yes. Oh my god, I was so close to not getting it right, bro. I was so close. Oh my god, I was so close. Oh my god, what the heck is that? I think that's I don't know what airplane that is. But it looks like its name would be Avro Lancaster. So that one, Avro left. Oh my god! I hate the stupid quiz. Oh, that's easy, man. That's the Tomcat. That's the Tomcat, bro. That's the F-14 Tom. Wait, no, that's the Eurofighter Typhoon. Yeah, that's the Eurofighter Typhoon, right? That's the Typhoon. Yeah, not the Tom. Yeah. Got it. What aircraft is this? I don't know. Can you show the answers? Why would that be the C-17? It's the Supermarine Spitfire. I think. I don't know this airplane. Ah! Stupid quiz. I hate this quiz. This is the last question. Yeah, there's a lot more, and I'll do the rest of these later. I think that's a P-38. No, that's a Mighty Dragon. Mighty Dragon? Yeah, I was so close to getting it wrong. Okay, we're gonna do the rest of this video tomorrow, something like that. So, bye. Oh, am I still? Yeah, I'm still. Okay. Oh, I'm still recording. Bye. Bro, I'm trying to. Bro, I'm keep dropping my phone. Okay, bye. Bye. Bro, I literally touched the button. Bye. Bye.